Hi friends, this video shows how to reset 4G network settings and fix all 4G issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to general, tap here. Go down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap here. Tap on reset. Here you can see reset network settings, tap here. Enter relock password. Then tap on this reset network settings. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, apps, anything. It just reset only the network settings, including 4G network settings. That's all. Let me tap on this reset network settings. Please wait. Okay, reset operation has been completed. Enter relock password. After this reset operation, we can check 4G. 4G should work. So this way we can reset 4G network settings and fix all 4G issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.